Welcome to the Canva classroom, everybody. Today's tutorial is a subscriber request on shape clouds. Thank you, Annie, for the recommendation. A shape cloud is an image that includes a lot of words in it. In theory, this could be done 100% with Canva, but it could take a long time to get your word cloud perfected. First, we're going to talk about the best way to download your silhouette image to best be used in wordclouds.com. Then we're going to take a field trip over to the website and finally return to Canva with some tips and tricks related to word clouds. Let's get started. Elements, first dove, and you will notice that Canva does have a lot of dove things. Let me filter it to static and then go to graphic. This is the one that I chose. Flying dove silhouette illustration. It is a free image. I'm going to make it as large as I can. The technique I'm going to use requires Canva Pro. However, I think that we can do it with the white background as well, so I'm going to test that theory. If you have your own personal image that you want to use, all you would need to do is go to Upload, Upload Media, and then pull the image from wherever it is on your computer. Here you can really use any document size you want. I'm going to download it first with a transparent background, just 9. And then the second one I'm going to do is without a transparent background, to see if there is truly a difference, because you might not need Canva Pro for that. Now, field trip to wordclouds.com. You will notice that they've got a sample here already. The first thing we want to do is go to shape. You will see a whole bunch of different icons that you could use. Maps, you could add a text, but we're going to go to upload. The shape image must have a transparent or white background. Example of shape image. We are going to browse and grab the first one. First one, remember, was the transparent image. And it appears that you can also change the opacity of it, but we're just going to leave it at 100. I'm going to turn off Use Mask Colors, Apply. You're going to notice that it gives it a white background. So when I download this, it actually wouldn't be transparent anymore. How can I fix that? Because we need to fix that first. We're going to go to Colors. Click this one that says white, and then what you want to do is click on this. This is your transparent color, and click OK. Apply and close. Here is the word list, and you can import it or extract words from text or PDF document. So you might want to fill out your words in a PDF document, which you could also download from Canva. I'm just going to show you, you could also edit the word list right here. I'm just going to change this one to Christmas, if I could type. Okay, now I'm just going to leave the rest of them like they are, just because I don't want to go through and change that many words, but you can also delete like this. But we're just going to leave them there. Click Apply. It rendered, and now you can see there's a whole bunch of different things. The Canva Classroom, Christmas, Merry, holidays, and then a bunch of other words. We could change the fonts. There are 3 fonts here, and we could change them to different things. What if I don't want a cursive font? Select, apply, and it made things look better. You can choose different directions here. Right now it's on random. What if we choose this or this? So just decide what you want and you can fix it. That one looks pretty good. Colors. So now we can look at our word colors and change them as well. I'm okay with that. What if we just want 3 colors? Or look, there's also themes here where you could choose different themes. Let's click apply. Now let's click mask and see what that has. Draw mask, invert mask, what does that mean? So now the words are on the outside of the image. And go back to just draw mask. Let's see what that does. It takes away. Do you see? There is no dove there. So when we click that, it's just the dove word and not the actual mask. Options, text drawing mode. Do we want it to fill? Do we want an outline? Do you want text shadow or canvas padding? I changed 3 things, so let's see what happens here. Changes to an outline, which I do not personally like. I think I'm just gonna leave draw mask on. And for some reason, things are not filling it out like it was. So I'm gonna change the direction until I can get it better filled. There we go, that's better. I also clicked auto fit and repeat words. File, save as image in standard or save as image in HD. We'll go ahead and save it as an HD and save it as a PNG. You could even save it as a PDF or an SVG, but we're just gonna do PNG. It is doing this thing with the line, and once the line is complete, then you can click download. Before we go back to Canva, here is the one that did not have a transparent background. I want to see what happens if I use that instead. Let's go to colors, click this, background, okay, apply. You do not need a transparent background for this project, so this is something you can do for free. Let's upload media. We'll upload both designs. Here is the second one I did, and you will see that the image is there, but that's what I chose to do with it. You could, remember, take off the draw mask and download it that way. I do want to see if you use the background remover, if it will get rid of the dove back there and just leave the words. It was not a great rendering there. All right, let's look at this one. This could help you create your own image by using text boxes. For some reason, my keyboard shortcut isn't working today. So then you could type in your words and put them in there and then change directions, rotate, make smaller. So technically you could do that, and you could make really small words. You could change it to different text and everything like that. So if that's something that you want to take the time to do, then that's a great option. So that's how you can create your own shape cloud, your own word with Canva and the word cloud generator. You see these? Where did I find them? Did I do these? I did not. I found them in Elements. I typed in word cloud and then photos, and I got a whole bunch of word clouds. And when I do it with space in between them, I get different word clouds. So you might find some that you like there. I hope that gave you exactly what you were looking for. Thank you so much for learning with the Canva Classroom. If you like this lesson, remember to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. I also recommend learning one of these tutorials on text right now. See you next time when I'm going to have a gift for everyone. Bye.